Hello to everybody, my name is Edilza Montañez and today I want to talk about the education. I think that it's very important to reflect on what the future holds for education, science and technology in Colombia. As we develop to this topic, it becomes evident that these three pillars are interconnected and will shape the trajectory of our nation in the years to come. First, I think let us consider that the roles of education in Colombia is widely acknowledged that the strong educational system is the foundation after which a prosperous society in the future. It's a build. In Colombia, investigating in education is investing in the future by providing quality education toward young. We are empowering them to become the leaders, innovators, and problem solvers of tomorrow. Yeah. Furthermore, the advancement of science and technology plays a crucial role in driving progress and development in today's rapidly evolving world, stating at the forefront of scientific and technological innovation paramount. Okay. But forensic a culture of curiosity, creative, collaboration, Colombia can harness the power of science and technology to address pressing challenge and unlock new opportunities. In this context, it is clear that the future of education, science, and technology in Colombia is entwined with our collective communication and excellence, innovation and inclusivity. By embracing these principles, we can pave the way for brighter and more prosperous future of all Colombians, including the teacher, including the students and all people around the world, or in this case in my country, that is Colombia. Let's say in the moments that to reaffirming of dedicate to advancing education, science and technology in this country. Together, let's work toward a future where the knowledge, knows, no bonds and innovation thrives and very individual that's the different opportunity to fulfill their potential. For example, an occasion that I think that is how technology and science are transforming education. The last intervention or the last ideas describe this context about Colombia, about the importance to including in different in our life the technology, the science, and the and look at the transforming of education, our the children, our the all people. In this moment, I want to share this screen, my analysis about different things that I think of education. For example, I am a teacher in a private school and a preschool teacher, and I think that it's very important to reflect about the technology and science and the impact of technology on teaching and learning. Yeah, technology is a tool with great potential that has challenged the way to teach and learn. This has provided access to education a different way to communicating and collaborating to the world population. It's the same that I said the last, because it's very important to think about it. The role of technology and science in learning. Technology in education helps to create opportunities for communication. It motivates teachers and students to communicate more, they share and debate ideas and to collaborate. Okay, the advent of technology. Advantage for teacher. How the technology helps teachers is about, for example, is got them flexibility. Teacher can experiment with different learning methods and tools depending on the needs of their classes. Help teacher connect with the students. Teacher can communicate better with their students and support them in their learning. Facilitates access to more resources because teacher can find additional and advanced resources for teaching. In existing different in the internet, you can find different page for educational teaching different topics, different language in Spanish, in English, in different activities for the students. This thing facilitate the work the teachers in Colombia. Advantage for students. How technology helps students learn. As a teacher, the student to create a personalized learning experience. The students have the freedom to choose into the methodologies and tools that work best for them. Improve student communication skill because students have access to different channels to communicate and collaborate with both teacher and their classmates. Prepare the student for the future is very important. I think that is very important because the student will be equipped for the technological future and will be able to adapt their easier for the world, for the change. Distance learning is the new normal. This slide is about because I think I am a student too, and practice for different platforms or students. My education is about distance learning, about at the screen, at the teacher, and talking about different classes. And for example, in some years, I need to technology for make a videos, for presentation for the students, and different things for teach my classes. It's important now, but what about in the future? Thinking about this question, distance education technology has been essential in current times and will certainly continue to be essential in the future. As educational centers shapes their methodologies, school may adopt or offer a combination of remote and in-person classes. Technology is a very useful tool that can turn education into something fun and enjoy both for teachers and students. Look at this question. What shape will the future of digital education take? Online classrooms translate into digital learning for all, a global marketplace for hands-on course and credential acquisition, create quality blend will growing, demand for vacation training and programs, increasing investment and interactive technology to bridge the digital divide. For the end, I want to share this text that I think that is very important to education and for this world, for the teacher, for the student, or the other people. We need technology in every classroom, in the hands of every teacher and student. It is in the pen and paper of our age. and it is the length through which the experience much of our world. This text is by David Warley. Thank you so much.